Back more national news amid violent protests in Kodagu and other parts of Karnataka on Tuesday over the celebration of the birth anniversary of Tipu Sultan. Gyanpith awardee Girish Karnad stoked more controversy. Karnad urged Karnataka government to rename Bangalore International Airport after Tipu Sultan. The Karnataka government's decision to celebrate Tipu Sultan's birth anniversary took a violent turn yesterday, where one VHP leader was also killed. Making a statement during official celebrations of Tipu's birth anniversary by the state government, Girish Karnad said that Tipu Sultan would have enjoyed the status of Shivaji had he been a Hindu. His statement did not go down well with BJP workers who boycotted the government's function and burnt effigies of Karnad.
Tipu Sultan Musliman ಆಗಿರದೆ ಹಿಂದೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ
International Bangalore Airport is built by not Tipu Sultan, it's built by Kempegowda. If Tipu Sultan built Bangalore, naturally it is not a Hindu, it's not a we proudly says Abdul Kalam is our president, proudly. Shishinala Sharif is a singer, author. We proudly says he is our man. Tipu is not a freedom fighter. He fight against only British, not Dutch, French. They are also outsider. They are also European. Why?
Their intention, basically, it was well-planned intention to create a controversy. They wanted to instigate. They don't want any communal harmony to be there. They want to create the hatredness in the society, so that the peace in the society is not maintained. The Congress is very well known to create the discord or the against the communal peace. They want the peace. They want intolerance in the society. They want to create the hatredness in the society. They are having expertise in creating this kind of communal disturbance. So I think what they're good at, they're trying to do it.
Protest breaking out by the BJP at the Malleshwaram circle. What you see here is the effigy of Girish Karnad. In fact, Girish Karnad did make a statement that has not really gone down well with the BJP. All of them here demanding that both Girish Karnad as well as the Karnataka government must actually come forward and apologize. The effigy of Girish Karnad there, that is going to be burnt, and that's the level of anger that you see on the streets of Bangalore today. All eyes are on the Karnataka government as well as Girish Karnad now as to what their next action will be. With camera person Madhu, Pratibha Raman, Bengaluru, India Today.